Hi there. The other day on the YouTube channel, I had a question about when working on skinny parts, how do you work into that first round of a round that is only 4 stitches into the second chain? Currently, the project I'm working on actually requires that, so I thought I would give you a quick tutorial on how I do that. Unfortunately, there really isn't a way that just makes it easier. It's just kind of a difficult thing to do with crochet, but it's part of what what makes it awesome. So you're going to go into the second chain from the hook and do your 4 single crochets. Okay, now what I like to do is kind of lay them out a little bit. Instead of pulling them tight so they're instantly all the way around, I like being able to see them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then I'm going to make sure I dodge this big clunk loop here and go into that first stitch. The reason I do it that way is because it makes the first stitch a lot easier to find than if I were to pull it tight before I got started. Now, when you hold your work out, you can still see your stitches. Here's 1, 2, 3. It's great big because it's stretched out, and then 4 is kind of on my hook here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just have to look for those. If you keep pushing your working yarn so that your piece is still right side out as you're going around those 4 stitches, it will make it a little bit easier. See, here's my 4th stitch. And I found it because I kind of made sure that I was working right side out again. Okay, so when you have this few on your hook, this one will be real stretched out. And you can see this is the hook or the stitch we just worked into. But because it's so tiny, it got kind of stretched around. So we have to make sure we don't work into that same one again by accident, and that we work into the next one instead. And as you get going, this will get a little easier to see from the top. And sorry, my tail's in the way here. But you can see your 4 stitches. Oh, good grief, let's take that out. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Thanks for watching a Hook by Kati tutorial video. Please click subscribe and click that little bell so you get notifications every time I post a new video. And remember to go to hookbykati.com for more patterns, tutorials, and guides to help you improve your art.